Hey there, cat. What are you doing? What are you looking down at? Are you oh, you're gonna weigh yourself? Is that what you're doing? That's fine with me. You weigh 14.6 pounds. I didn't know you knew how to use the use the scale. Jeez, I can't talk again. This is a vlog that that how do I say it? Starring the cat. And then he's just sniffing around. So the reason why I was filming the cat is because earlier there was like a moth flying around, and then the two cats were chasing it, and it was hilarious. I actually have footage of it, but the camera angle is so horrible. Like, I was originally good. It's like 8 minutes, and I was originally gonna upload the whole thing, and so I went and watched what I got. I'm like, what is this? I can't upload this combobulated nonsense. You can't even see the moth. So I just decided to trim it to trim it down to like 1 minute and 19 seconds. And well, I'll show you a little bit of the footage just so you can see how horrible it is. But actually, that moth was here for a while. The cat started chasing it again. What's going on there? Hello there, other cat. So what was I saying there? So I was using the bathroom earlier today. In the bathroom. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that too much, cause it's not original. So I was in the bathroom. The cat there's like a little cat house outside the window, and the window's like a little entrance. The cats can like jump in and out of it. So the moth comes flying in the bathroom, and at first I thought it was like a June bug or something, but like I saw it flying around. I'm like, oh jeez, like it scared me. And then the two cats come flying in, like jumping in, and then they start chasing the moth all over the place. And I was trying to use the bathroom. I just laughed. And then they started chasing the moth again after around the hallway. And that was the part I filmed, but the camera angle was all combobulated. And what is this guy doing? What are you doing? You like twitched a little bit. Oh, you're just gonna start licking yourself. Oh, I got a kick out of all of that. Jeez. So, and another funny part is that there's like a big spider in there. So he like builds like a huge web inside that little cat house. And like, well, the cats just don't care about anything. They just start playing with everything they see, just like with the moth. Cats tear that web down. It was two times that spider built a web in there. and then the cats tore it down. By the cat, the cat probably, the cats probably either ate the spider or they just tore down the web, and the spider's probably gonna build another one. It would be funny if he builds a third web and then the cat tears that down. Especially this one. That light one over there. What's he doing? He's just there. He's just there like... Sup? I'm a cat. Right after I said especially this one. So, yeah. I tear that web down. That cat's the real MVP. Did I say MVP or NVP? I don't know. Whatever. You know, like Squidward there. Whatever. So I was originally gonna record some Majora's Mask. I'm still debating whether I should record now and get the rest of that Arcana stuff done, the graveyard. So, sorry there wasn't any Majora's Mask uploads today, but I'm thinking about recording tonight, if not tomorrow, and then upload as soon as I'm done recording. Tomorrow, that is. But if I do it tonight, then I could record like 2 videos and then upload them tomorrow. And I'm hoping to get that graveyard stuff done in 1 video. What I have... Yeah, 1 video. 1. So, I'm bored now, so let's see what the cats are doing. Oh, you wanna follow me? Can you guys see in here? Nah. But you can see here. Yeah, I might as well open that for you. I'm gonna leave the door open for them. Well, I guess I'm done recording for now. I have nothing to talk about, so next time I'm either gonna be playing Majora's Mask or I'm probably gonna be outside somewhere at the park. There's a park close to here, so might do a vlog or something there, so see you guys in the next video. Voice crack. Okay, what you are seeing right now is 2 cats chasing this big moth right here. So, I'm just hoping that he starts flying around. They've been chasing this guy for like the past 3 minutes. Alright, let's see what you do. Come on. I want some action. Oh, you got the moth in his mouth. Oh. Watch, you're gonna start flying. Come on, start flying. Jeez. At first I thought this thing was a monarch butterfly, and then